Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload today I'm going to show you how you can import Blender into Roblox. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show how you can do it. So basically I have got a cube over here on Blender, and I want to add it onto Roblox over here. So how we can do this? So first of all, we need to export this cube from Blender. So how we can do this is that we're going to navigate to the top left corner, and then we're going to click on File, and from File you're going to go to scroll down all the way to Export, and then you're going to go down either to Wavefront or FBX. Now Wavefront exports the object as an object without its textures, and FBX with its textures. So I'm going to do it with an FBX, and I'm going to put it on the desktop, and I'm going to keep naming it as an untitled project. Now I'm going to click on Export FBX. Now I'm going to go on the onto Roblox Studio, and then you're going to right click onto the screen. Okay, you're going to make sure you're zoomed in a little bit. Then right click on the screen or the place you want to insert your object, and you're going to click on Insert Object. This is going to open the object here, and you're going to use the mesh part. If you don't find it, you can just search for mesh, and you're going to find it. As you can see, mesh part. I'm going to click on the mesh part, and then I'm going to click on it. Make sure you open its properties. You're open the properties from the top left, and then you have the mesh ID. You're going to click on this folder icon, and then you're going to navigate to your object that you want. I have it on the desktop, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on Open. Now it's going to tell you the mesh you're importing is very large. Would you like to resize the mesh out? Let's say yes. And the mesh contains location data. Yes, okay. And now it's going to resize it. And as you can see, I have my own object from Blender. This is the same cube. I can now put it up or put it down from Blender onto Roblox. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.